Okay, this is a DD Amanda video analysis of APSI Aqua Power Systems Incorporated. Now we found this one with this 5-factor yesterday, right here on a scan, and started doing our research. And for starters, this is a shell, okay, that shows us it's a shell. And another thing we noticed was, look at this. We keep notes on all the stocks, and these guys have actually decreased the share structure. You don't see this very often, but they started at 59 OS, got rid of 6 million, decreased their float by 6 million. Of course, this was a year ago in 21. And then just recently here on 6/6, they took another 33 million off their OS, which was at 50, now it's at 17. So right here is your existing ASOS float. They got 200 million authorized, 17 in the OS and 17 in the float. Their OS is maxed out. Now what we found out was this is a merger play with a pretty big trucking company. Alright. Now, there's a guy named Sturv C. He's very well respected on iHub. And he posted a valuation on Riggs Platinum Penny Picks, which is one of the best boards on iHub. These guys are all real pros. Anyway, he's valuing this thing at $3 to $37 based on the financials of this trucking company, this transportation group. Okay, now I'm not going to really go into this. You can find it on iHub, but I mean this is very detailed. You know, they filed an 8K, so they're SEC filing, which is another really good sign. They're not just going with OTC markets. But look at this, revenues 87 million. You know, net profit margin. It's he does all this calculation and he comes up with a top value of $37 a share. And where are we trading? Well, we closed at 60 cents today. All right. So we did a little bit more looking, and we checked we checked their Twitter. Now look at this shit. The latest tweet, which was November 17th, this thing's been going on for a while and nobody noticed, I guess. If we go to November 17th in DD Amanda, yeah, okay. On the 17th, he had a 3-factor, which is 3 times, she traded 3 times what she normally trades. So she did get noticed some there, but really hasn't done anything since then. But anyway, what they tweeted on the 17th was all parties are working diligently to close the transaction in a timely. Super 8 is being drafted for filing upon it with SEC. Blah blah blah. We'll pursue uplisting subsequent to acquisition completion. Well, I imagine so, because they're going to be in the dollars, right? Now I happened to scroll down here a little bit, and I noticed another tweet by I guess one of the CEO or something. He says, here, look at this. Dear APSI family, this is a more personal post by Steve. Okay, it's by Steve. I do consider AP shareholders like family. I appreciate all the support. I mean, this is kind of nice. I was happy to file the 8K. They filed an 8K announcing their letter of intent. All right. So that's kind of cool, right? Now, what happened today is we have some 200-day highs here. Traded 359,000, almost closed at high a day, but that's a 200-day high right here, 60 cents, and then the intraday was right here at 6020. And we have a solid candle. I mean, look at this. You don't see these very often, you know. As far as the drag, it's 87 today. It was 73 yesterday on the up drag, which is manageable. Anything less than 100 or 150, 200 is cool, you know. The drag ratio is low. It's because of this down drag here, which was less than the up drag. You can go to DD Man and find out more about this drag stuff, but it's nothing critical. It's manageable, okay? Now, on our social media right now, she's at 17 on the most read. Let me refresh this because that's in real time. Oh, now well, she was at 15, 18. Okay, right now she's at 18. And this is her social media history over here, the 3417. So, yeah, she started getting on this social media. People started to clock her a little bit. And I guess that's it. We've got all weekend for the word to spread on this. Twitter is packed. If you do a search on APSI, I mean, there's just a shit ton of tweets. And there's a lot of posts on iHub as well, you know. I mean, this is just crazy. Latest. A lot of people tweeting on APSI. Oh, look at this one. She's fainting. All right, guys, that's all I got. I think Monday we're going to do a lot better. Okay, bye.